Looking at this cash trip, I see that, because I was wondering, like, man, it kind of appears as if, like, the cash trip started pretty early within the season, but now I understand that. And I'm looking at it like this, typically when they do their final cash trip, normally it's no more than, like, maybe 3, give or take 4 episodes, right? But to me, it seems like this is going to be ongoing. And I'm only saying this because so much transpired on the cast trip that there was no way they were going to edit a lot of that out. So I feel like we're looking at like maybe 4 to 5 episodes of this cast trip, which is kind of unheard of. But given all the different dynamics that transpired between Quad and Dr. G, and then Dr. G and Quad's boyfriend King, and then Quad and then Sweet Tea, and then you have Phaedra and Apollo, and possibly allegedly Phaedra and Apollo's wife Shireen. Like, there's just so much that's happening on the cast trip that there was no way they were going to be able to edit a lot of it out. So they wanted to ensure that they kept a lot in so that way it can be played out throughout the season. And honestly, if that was their thought process, because again, I'm just speculating, I'm just making my hypothesis here, but if that was their process, I feel like they made a good choice, because this is where I feel like everything is truly heating up. And for more information like this plus more, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment as well. And a new episode is coming your way this week.